Hey, it's Jason at Hangtown Affordable Auto Repair with another video. So we have a 2008 Buick Enclave, which I took for a test drive. I did not know that after you drive it for a while, it has no power steering. So I went to take a corner and realized that I had to steer really hard. So I brought it back, looked into it, figured out it's probably the power steering pump. Did some investigation, and there's actually a recall on 2008 to 2011 Enclave, 09 to 11 Traverse, 07 to 11 Acadia, and 07 to 10 Saturn Outlook. I'd say any of those stop to have power steering, there's a recall, 10 years or 150,000 miles, and they will replace the pump, do a flush, and if that doesn't take care of it, if I remember correctly, they will also do a power steering wrap, all covered under warranty. So if you're having those issues, call your dealer. Thank you.